Hello, dear.
Hello, Mama.
How was your school?
School was exciting.
What did you learn today?
I learned add sound words.
Do you have any homework?
Yes, Mom. Our teacher advised us to revise sound words with our parents. Will you please let me revise those sound words? Please help me, Mama.
My pleasure, dear. Speak after me. Let's revise. B-A-T, bat.
No, Mama, not this way.
What happened, my dear?
You are telling me wrong.
What? What do you mean?
My teacher taught me to read as B at bat, not B-A-T bat. I will tell you the right way. Come with me, please.
Yeah, sure, beta. Let's go.
Let's read add sound words. Come on, Mama.
See, Mama, my teacher taught me like this. Add sound words. As A says A, T says T, and when we will join AT together, it become at. It become at. B at bat. K at cat. H at hat. F at fat. M at mat. R at rat. Again, Mama, see this? B at bat. K at cat. F at fat. H at hat. M at mat. R at rat.
Mama, now let's watch the video that my teacher sent on your WhatsApp.
My WhatsApp. Okay, dear. Let's watch. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today, I will teach you add sound words. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me one thing. A sounds
A,
and T sounds?
T,
Yes. A sounds A, T sounds T. And when we will join AT together, it becomes at. It becomes
at,
Okay, tell me, what is the sound of B?
B,
Very good. B. B at.
bat,
Read it as B at bat. Never read it as BAT bat. Did you get my point?
yes, ma'am.
B at.
Bat,
Okay. What is the sound of C?
K,
K at.
cat,
K at.
cat,
What is the sound of F?
F,
F at.
fat,
F at.
fat,
What is the sound of H?
H,
H. H at.
hat,
H at.
hat,
What is the sound of M?
M,
M. M at.
mat,
M at.
mat,
Okay, what is the sound of R?
R,
R. R at.
rat,
R at.
rat.
Very good. Never read it as R-A-T rat, B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat. It is wrong method. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's revise these sound words through pictures. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. B. B at.
Bat,
This is the picture of
bat,
B at.
bat,
Very good. Now, C-A-T cat. Am I right?
no, ma'am.
Then how we will say?
K at cat,
Very good. K at.
cat,
Okay, see. This is the picture of
cat,
K at.
cat,
Very good. And F sound as
F.
For at.
Fat.
For at.
Fat.
This is the picture of
Fat.
M at.
Mat.
M at.
Mat.
Okay, see the picture. What is this?
Mat.
Mat. Very good. H at.
Hat.
H at.
Hat.
Okay, now see the picture of hat. What is this?
Hat.
Hat. H at.
Hat.
Now see. R at.
Rat.
R at.
Rat.
Now see the picture of rat. What is this?
Rat.
Okay. Did you get the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1. B at bat.
B at bat.
K at cat.
K at cat.
F at fat.
F at fat.
M at mat.
M at mat.
H at hat.
H at hat.
R at rat.
R at rat.
Very good. Now you all have to revise it at your home with your parents. Okay? And nobody will read it as B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat. You will read it with its sound. B at.
Bat.
Okay, have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Wow, what a nice method of teaching. Now, along with you, I also learnt the exact way of reading add sound words. Thank you, my dear, for updating my knowledge.
My pleasure, Mama.
Now let's go out for dinner.